Hey guys, today I'm filming my next update for my non-makeup rolling project pan series. This is where I work on hair, skin, and body products. And at the end of this month, I'm going to have my finale where I will show you all the things I used up this month. I'm going to give you my number totals on the foil samples, deluxe size samples, and full size products I used up for hair, skin, and body. And I'm going to go through and tell you out of all the things I used up, what would I actually repurchase. I'm not going to show you the progress on the things that are left. I am going to show you that in my January intro. So hopefully you guys will be excited for that. That video is always fun. I mean, going through all my videos and counting up the products is not fun. I need to be like more diligent about keeping track along the way, but I just don't think I'm going to follow through with that. It has been about 3.5 weeks since my last update. I was able to finish up 6 products, which I'm very excited about. The first one being the First Day Beauty Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. This was just a 1 ounce size, and I do think that this was a nice product. It almost seems like it has, I was gonna say oatmeal, but that's not true. It's not chunky, but this has like a thicker consistency. It's still very easy to work in the hair, but it was just different than I was expecting. It doesn't feel like really thin, like a Head and Shoulders type of product. I don't have a ton of dandruff, so I didn't notice like a big significant difference, but I do think this is a nice product and it is something that I would consider getting in the future. It doesn't have that like minty sensation like Head and Shoulders does, so depending on your preference, that could be a pro or a con. But I don't feel like it made my scalp feel overly hydrated or dried out. It was perfect for my oily scalp. Then I did finish the 2 skincare products I was hoping to finish up. This one I used my last use today. So first is the Skin Proud Detox Tonic Daily AHA Exfoliating Tonic. Skin Proud is a very affordable brand that you can buy at Walmart, and I believe now they're in some CVS stores as well. I did do a brand review on my Instagram. I will have it linked down below, and this is one of my favorite products. So this has 4.9 fluid ounces. This is just a great toner. It did not make my skin feel sensitive. It felt very cleansed without being dried out, but it doesn't, give you more moisture or anything. This is a fantastic toner. I will absolutely repurchase this. There are some products where I like spending more money on them because I just have a particular product that I really love. But for me, while I have some high-end toners that I like the one from Peach and Lily, I'm totally fine getting an affordable option, and this is really great. Next, we have the Skin Proud Bright Boost 2% Vitamin C Serum. It had 25 mils or 0.85 fluid ounces. Unfortunately, my lid did crack, and I didn't love that, but again, this is a super affordable product, and I love that, it seems like brands have learned, as we have learned about vitamin C products, that they need to be in a opaque package so they won't oxidize. This was fantastic. It does not have a vitamin C scent like most other products, and it also did not leave my skin feeling sticky, again, like a lot of other vitamin C products have done for me. And I don't know what all vitamin C is good for, but I feel like vitamin C is like a good skincare product to use as your daytime serum. But I really like this. I have nothing negative to say. This is something that I would definitely repurchase also, because I don't really have any daytime serums that I absolutely love. I just have different things that I like and I'm wanting to use up, but this is something I would definitely repurchase. So let me give you my weight. When I introduced it, 1.449. The first update, 1.330. Second update, 1.058, third update, 0.859, and all used up, 0.686. Next, I finished my Dr. Zenovia Scar Gel Treatment. This is something that you're probably supposed to use in your face. I use this on my stretch marks, so I got through it pretty quickly. And I used this 4 times over the past month to finish it completely. So I got 29 total uses out of this product. Again, this is made to be used on the face. If you use it on your face, it will last you so much longer. I feel like this is a little bit of like a sticky consistency. It's not oily, but my clothes didn't stick to me or anything. I do think that it was a nice product. I don't really feel like I noticed much of a difference in my scars. However, these have been here for a long time. I don't even know if I got any extra ones from Aubrey, if all of these are just from Landon. So, you know, I didn't notice a ton of things, but my scars have been there for a while, and I don't use this as much as you should. I was using this every other day, and it says you should use it 2 to 3 times daily for 8 weeks for new scars, or twice a day for 3 to 6 months for old scars. So keep that in mind, is why I may not have seen many results. Then I had my final Belif Aqua Balm Hydrating Body Moisturizer. I was using this as my hand lotion, but to finish it up, I did also use it on my forearms. And I used this 14 times to finish it up. It comes with 1.01 fluid ounce of product. And I've reviewed this for you guys before. I don't like this. It has almost like a sticky feel. It is not very hydrating. I even have like pretty like hydrated body skin. My skin is not dry, and I don't feel like this did anything for me. So this is something I would really not recommend for anyone. I think there are way better lotions out there that are more affordable. So happy to have finally used up my third and final one, but would not repurchase. And then this is just a random empty, the Doterra On Guard Sanitizing Mist. I had this at Aubrey's changing table, and I got through it very quickly. I think I had one in either my last empties or the one before that. Now I have, oh gosh, what's that really popular, very expensive brand? It's shaped like a BlackBerry cell phone, and it has like a white outer case to it, a bunch of different scents. I don't know, the one that's like $10, I got that in a subscription box. I'm using that one right now. I have gotten used to this clove scent, and it's something that I would repurchase. I'm sure my mom will give me some for Christmas. I really do like having a hand sanitizer spray for some reason, and I really love this one because it does not leave my hands feeling like jelly afterwards like some do. It might be a little bit drying, but I don't really notice that. It is great. I would recommend, and I wish they would come up with some other scents though. Now showing you the progress on the items I have left. So for hair, I have only used this twice now. I decided to pull in the shampoo from my travel bag. This is from the brand Monday, their smooth shampoo, and this is for frizzy and dull hair. So this is working fine for me. It's not making my scalp too oily, but it's just not something that I love, and I would like to get it out. So I'm hoping that I can finish this by the end of the month. This does have a pretty nice scent though, so hopefully this can be finished up. I'm not sure where I am, but I definitely have like less than half. Then for my conditioner, still using my DermaE thickening conditioner, and still a good bit left, but it's possible I can finish this by the end of the month. And there have been a couple of days where I took this up a little bit higher, or even put it on my scalp, and then I did get those like dry skin patches again. So I think it's some ingredient in this specific line just does not jive with my head, but if I don't put it on my scalp, this is fine. So I'm so close. I really want to finish that. Then I have my Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. This is a 2 fluid ounce size. It is going to last me absolutely ages. I use this on days where I maybe have gone an extra day without washing my hair, so I'll probably use this tonight. And I also use it on days where I've used extra dry shampoo, or dry shampoo like more days in a row, which I haven't used dry shampoo a ton. So anyway, this is really slow going. I don't think I used it at all over the past month because most of my month was focused on that First Aid Beauty. So I don't think any uses this month, but there have been 2 uses since I opened it the month prior. And then for my leave-in, this should be done by the end of the month as well. The Bumble and Bumble BB Hairdresser Invisible Oil Primer. I am about halfway done. I absolutely love this product. I have 2 more minis that I'm going to save for travel, but I really hope to see this half off sometime over the next year at Ulta so I can get some of this, because I love It's a 10, but I like the scent of this one better. So for skincare, a lot of things going on here. For my cleansing balm the past month, I was testing the Byoma Melting Balm Cleanser, and I don't recommend this one. I'm going to, at the end of the year, or beginning of January likely, have my big review video on all of the affordable cleansing balms I've tried this year, but used a good bit of this. I will use it up. Will not repurchase. I will tell you why in that video, but because I love the Good Molecules better, this was on my sink. It's their instant cleansing balm. I used this one maybe like 3 times, and you can see there's such little left. So I'm tempted to use it up, and I might, but I also think I might just finish that in January because I do have one more cleansing balm to try this year. I haven't even hauled it yet, but after Deb B really raved about this, I decided when I was placing a Shop Miss A order for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, that I would pick up the green tea and vitamin E cleansing balm. I think this was like $5. So really excited to try this out and see what I think of this one as well. So this will be the one that I'm mostly using, and then we'll see if I get any more uses on this. But I'll try to stick to this one. For cleanser, I have my Philosophy Purity. This is the 4-ounce size. This is gonna last me like 6 months based off of using my previous bottle. So I am down here, and this is just my favorite cleanser of all time. And I have 2 more in this size, which is great because that should last me until next Black Friday, Cyber Monday, when I know this will be really discounted and potentially a 21 Days of Beauty or their skincare event at Ulta. Then we have my face scrub, which is the Versed Day Maker Micro Crystal Exfoliator. I have really been enjoying this. So last month, this weighed 3.461 ounces. Today, 3.135. So making some good progress there. Before toner, after I finished up the one from Skin Proud, I went back to the Versed Weekend Glow Daily Brightening Solution, and I am down here. Unfortunately, I'm not really going to be able to make very accurate markings because of this big white band here. It goes all the way around, and I might be able to see, but I'm not quite sure. But this is something that I've been using, but I'm going to put on hold because I would like to finish this little baby by the end of the year before I post my inventory. I just got this in an Ulta goodie bag, the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. This just has 8 mils or 0.27 fluid ounces. I have tried this before and I do really like it. So just want to finish that up. And then I do have a few other mini toners for traveling. So I did still save some. I have to like hold myself back because I really quickly want to like use up minis, but I actually need some for traveling, but not that one. But then for serum, busting out something new for the daytime, and that is going to be the Merit Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. I have used this in the past. I do think this is a nice product, and it does give quite a good bit of hydration, which is something that I only need in the more winter months. So this is going to last me quite a while. And then for my nighttime serum, I have the DermaE Ultra Hydrating Dewy Skin Serum. Was there last month, now down here. So this is going to last me through the end of winter, which is fine. I absolutely love this product. But I do feel like with this and all hyaluronic acid products, it's better to have your skin wet. I would love your recommendations for a skincare mist. Previously, I had passed some on and now I wished I hadn't. But I don't really want anything like super scented. So please leave me some recommendations of something especially affordable that I could put underneath this to have this like do the most for me. Then I should have been weighing these along the way. I haven't, I'm not right now. I'll put in a picture for you. My daytime moisturizer is the Belif True Cream Aqua Balm. Normally I like something a little bit heavier in the wintertime, but I think paired with this serum, I'm gonna be just fine. And I do plan on using more like hydrating and dewy makeup products. So that might give a little bit of balance for me. Then my nighttime moisturizer is the Belif True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I am about halfway done with this, which is sad because this is my favorite and I don't have any other nighttime moisturizers. And I still don't think they have come out with a Moisture Balm holiday set, which what's the big idea there? I've been waiting for that. For some reason I didn't grab it, but my Belif Moisturizing Eye Balm, I'm about halfway done with that as well. I'll put a picture on the screen. And then I've got my Skin Proud Serious Shade SPF 50. I barely used this over the past month. I have gotten back into being bad about using SPF, so I'll try to get back into it, and maybe I just need to go repurchase my favorite Everyday Humans Resting Beach Face Sunscreen Serum. And lastly, I have my Dr. Zenovia 10% Glycolic Acne Peel Pads. This is something I only use at night on days where I did not wear makeup, so I used this 3 times over the past month. We definitely still have like 2/3 of the way to go, which is fine. I absolutely love these and they're super expensive. Lastly, for my body products for underarms, this is looking really tough. This is my Mega Babe Space Bar Detoxifying Underarm Charcoal Bar, and it's getting very teensy. We've got 10 uses on this, and I told you guys that no matter how much is left at the end of the month, I'm going to throw it away, and then I'm going to use the underarm mask next year. That will probably take me the entire year to get through. So this is just a little deluxe size sample. I really haven't noticed much from it, but I'm hoping that it's helping. So we'll see what it looks like at the end of the month. It is very, very thin. And we have my CeraVe Salicylic Acid Lotion for rough and bumpy skin. You really can't see where I'm at because I have had this stored upside down to try to get the product to come down to the edge, and I've also just been trying to scrape around with a stick here to wipe it on my skin. I do use this on my arms where I have my KP, so this should be finished by the end of the month as well. I will definitely make sure that it is. I also used this 10 times. Then we have my Maylee's Restart Resurfacing Body Serum. It has 3.5 ounces in it. We were here last month, now down to here, so pretty consistent use. And this is something that I'm using on the KP on my thighs, but since I used up this scar gel, which I was using on my stretch marks, I am now using this on my stretch marks as well, just to see if it helps to exfoliate that skin. So I'm going to continue using it that way until I use this up, which might take me like between like 4 to 6 months, which I'm totally fine with. And then for my hand lotion, as soon as I finished up the Belif, I moved on to this, which is the First Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, the Candy Cane scent. This is a 2-ounce size. They have continued to bring this out every holiday season. I think this is like full price, like $16 or something, but they have had it on sale a lot leading, you know, through November, December time. I use this 7 times over the past month, and I try to hold up to a light, and the product is not settled, so I'm just going to keep track of uses for now, but I'll also see if I can get it to sort of level out to make a mark. So guys, I actually do not have any declutters this month, surprisingly, and that's really just because I didn't really take the time to go through my collection. But in the finale, I should also have a little mini declutter for you, because I know there are some things that I can get rid of. And again, like I said, I like to try to finish off some things and declutter some more things before I do my inventory update. So that will hopefully be exciting. I hope you're all excited for that finale. I'm going to have so many things all combined together. But I would love to know your thoughts if you've tried these products and what hair, skin, and body products you're working on right now. I do have some makeup project pans going on if you would like to check those out on my channel. I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys. I also want to show you guys my shirt. This is a RuPaul's Drag Race shirt. It says Shantae You Stay, and on the back it says Sashay Away. I got this in 2019 when I went to LA before I had kids. So when I first put it on, it was a little bit tight on me, but I think I've stretched it out a little bit, and now it's just a perfect fit.